Hello, dear participants of the conference. My name is Mariia Mendielieva. I am a junior researcher at Kharkiv National University of Radio Electronics in Ukraine, and today the authors present the abstract called Usability of Notifications in Voice Translators Interface. Voice user interfaces using AI have opened new opportunities in overcoming the language barrier for travelers on the go in transport hubs such as airports, train and bus stations, ports. There are a lot of existing examples of voice translator applications. Traveling over various distances may involve crossing multiple time zones, and then subsequent travel fatigue can therefore lead to decrease in concentration and alertness, mental and physical performance. Many travelers use their devices like phones and tablets to get information about the time, but these devices may not sync correctly with the local time during transfers because of the lack of automatic time zone changes in the device, Wi-Fi quality issues, or roaming problems at airports or train stations. Additionally, airports often display the local time of the city where the airport is located, while a voice translator might show the time based on the time zone of the departure location, which can also lead to misinterpretation of a time. As a result, during the transit flight, a traveler may forget they are in a different time zone and miscalculate the departure time and potentially miss the boarding, even by using a voice translator application. So, there is a need for user to have some interface prompts that remind traveler to check current time. So the aim of the research is to improve the functionality of a voice translator mobile application by adding a notification function for current time check and prevent wrong travelers' actions that can be caused by stress and fatigue. Notifications can be displayed after system recognizes key phrases from user that fall into a variety of words related to clarifying information about flight and travel process, such as flight status, landing time, departure time, and others. Once keywords are recognized, a notification to check current time is displayed for a traveler. It could be in a different forms, for example, text, sound, graphic form, or their combination are possible. Notifications from the design perspective can come in different forms, and each form is serving a specific purpose. For example, pop-up window or banner notification usually displayed in the middle of the screen for easy detection and data verification. Tool tips, they provide brief explanations or assistance with minimal interference in the translation process. Confirmation dialogues before viewing translation results creates a pause, allowing user to double-check their actions. Progress indicators or status indicators, they can show a user that he needs to check the time again. Icons, they can remind user to check the time and can be in a very different form, from an exclamation mark to something else. Colors and unavailable results. Usage of bright, contrasting colors to draw users' attention to the need of time check. And translation results may be unavailable or partially highlighted, indicating they will be activated when the time check is completed. So, we propose to add a notification function for time check in voice translator application with a design in a simple but an effective form with brief information to avoid users' confusion. Also, keywords for notification function should be relevant. They should be selected, taking into account users' needs and context. To obtain data on usability of notifications for users, it's necessary to create an interface prototype with different notification options in Figma, and then conduct usability A/B testing. For A/B testing, you can have some group of tested users. This group can be divided into subgroups according to the number of available interface options. Each user's group will be testing only one version of the interface. When tested groups are selected, you could create a survey that users need to answer after completing translating traveling information. Survey questions can use scale, for example, from 1 to 10, to evaluate how much users are satisfied with the design and usage of notification function. To confirm the strong influence of the notification form on users' satisfaction, Spearman correlation coefficient can be calculated. As a result, it's possible to create notifications that allow foreign travelers to avoid errors in accurate understanding of current time value when translating information at airports and other transport hubs. That ensures successful completion of travelers' boarding task. Proposed approach will allow to configure the voice translator interface in a way that best suits the most users' preferences and prevents possible errors in understanding translated flight data, which are caused by travel fatigue. Uh, Also, there is a list of sources cited. Most of the existing designs of different forms of notifications was taken from Dribble and Behance resources, and here you can see examples of the cited sources. And thank you for your attention.